Decky, you want to come out and go potty, buddy? You ready to come out and go potty? You think he's ready? You got to go potty, bud? Come on. Let me get up. Yeah, help him. Give him a little boost on the side. Come on, bud.
Well, look at little piggy.
Come on, Duck. You ready? Kinsey's waiting. Come here, buddy.
Yeah.
Come on, boy. Oh, what you got, buddy?
He's like,
Oh, no, what you got? You got a snaky. All right, come here. Can you take it off him, please, honey?
Yeah.
Come here, Ducky. Come here. Thank you. Come on, Duck. Come on, bud. Watch out for Kinsey. Yes, there's your Kinsey. Good boy.
He isn't even fun
This way.
anymore.
Hey, that's not very nice.
He isn't.
He's hurting right now, honey. Okay. Come
He's
here.
hurting when he's walking.
Come on. Come on. You want to come down? Kinsey, come. Mike. Oh, you're coming around? Okay, come on, bud. Come on. Come on, we'll get you. Come on, down. Hold on, Kinsey's going to go by. Let Kinsey go. There you go. Good boy. Come on. Down. Come on, I gotcha. I gotcha. Down. I gotcha. I gotcha, bud. Come on. There we go. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Come on. Come on. Where's the kitty? Do you hear her? You want to go out the potty? Are you ready? Okay. What do you smell, buddy? Huh? What is it? Hold on, bud. Hold on.